Today we're gonna harvest our twin cucumbers. These are pickling type cucumbers, a 5-gallon container. Welcome back to GreenTGarden. We're gonna harvest this and I'm gonna show you how cool these twin cucumbers are looking. So Boston type pickle or national type pickle, pickling cucumber variety, first of all, they grow rapidly fast. Because they don't have to use a lot of time and energy to grow the plant like 8 feet long. They grow about 4 to 6 feet in height. So you could use like a bamboo stake or something like that and grow them. Even like tomato cage, you could actually grow these plants in. The one thing I'm going to tell you right now though, you have to harvest on time. If you take a long time to harvest, the cucumbers would already start turning yellow and more sour and more bitter, and the plant is basically wasting energy and time. Harvest between 4 to 5 inches. All right, so the moment we've been waiting for is my twin babies. My daughter is waiting patiently. Oh my God. Wow, look at that. Look at their joint and the connect there. Beautiful. If you see this little fuzzy spike stuff, just brush it off with your hand. Look at the bottom now. You see how it's already getting yellow, which means it's already fully ripe. And if we leave this for too long, it will get sour and bitter. Like this one here is a little bit more better. You want to get dark green, and you want at the top and a little bit lighter green, like something like this one right here. So this one is even going to taste more better than this one, believe me. Now, once we remove this, our plant right now will be pushing energy to the smaller one, growing that faster for us, so we could come back and get more harvest. And you can see how much flowers, look how much male and female flowers on this plant. And look at my leaves, pretty healthy overall. They're not, you know, brown or yellow or anything like that. And growing in a container. And then we got our 3-gallon container and a 5-gallon. 3-gallon container has been growing amazing. You can see how everything is growing. We have no problem. Once you take care of your plant, you're not gonna have any problem. So this is our beautiful baby right here. Look at that. I feel bad to harvest this. Not gonna eat this right now. We're gonna actually save it for a little moment. A quick guide how I maintain my cucumber plants in a container. Growing in a container is a big difference from growing in ground. When you grow in ground, the plant root, you have to understand this, the plant root spreads wider. It gets resource from a farther distance, like fertilizer, water, and everything from farther. When growing in a container, the plant root will come down and then it goes back up, but it's still in that one little gap. It doesn't get to go anywhere else. So it's up to us to make sure we water on time and we'll fertilizer on time. We are in Long Island, New York. We're in springtime, deep spring. We're gonna be summer soon. Yesterday we were about 76 degrees outdoor, but because of in the greenhouse, we're about 80 degrees plus. With 80 degrees plus, I am watering every day in the greenhouse because there's a small container. When it's that hot, the plant is so stressed out, it's trying to suck all the water in to survive, much less produce it. So you got to make sure you water in the morning time. Come in the morning time, or if you don't have chance in the morning, you got to come in the evening time and water to make sure your plant is hydrated. I fertilize every 3 weeks. I'm using a organic garden tone, which is you could use like an organic all-purpose fertilizer. Ratio is about 3-4-4, balanced with nitrogen, balanced with calcium and potassium. That's what basically cucumber plant need a big boost of. Also, after a couple days I add that, or a week after, I will add a bone meal or a garden lime to increase the calcium in when it comes to cucumber plants, strengthen up the plant root. If the plant root is strengthened up, the plant's going to be more stronger too, and that's giving you a good advantage. You see my plant leaves, they're green. They're not brown spotted, they're not brown, they're not yellow, because they're healthy. There's no overwater, there's no underwater. My plant is fed well. So that's what you keep that up. Fix the water and fix your fertilizer. You're gonna get a healthy plant. Check in the description box. I'm gonna leave all the products that I use on these cucumber plants and to keep it healthy, and a couple of the words what I just said that you guys understand. And another thing, you gotta make sure you harvest your cucumber on time. So this way the plant's not wasting energy, you know, overgrowing a cucumber, making it too ripe and making it too sour. All right. Harvest 4 to 5 inches, 4 to 6 inches. That's pretty good when it comes down to national pickle. If you go with a straight A or a bigger cucumber, you're gonna have to harvest between like 6 to 8 inches. 8 inches sometimes, that's perfect for cucumbers. Those sizes are bigger. Those sizes, you gotta increase your fertilizer more and increase water more when it comes to those plants. Those plants will grow at least about 8 feet in height. This plant will grow about 4 to 6 feet only. All right. Thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.